Hello mental health heroes, welcome to the Academy. I'm glad you're here. Captain Calm wants to show you his Calm capsule and how he uses it to take control of his emotions and find peace. Just like how you feel inside when we have lots of strong emotions such as worry or anger, it can feel like a whirlwind inside our bodies. It might even make you act differently or make bad choices. It doesn't have to be this way though. You can calm your thoughts and feelings and regain control. Let's try to calm the storm inside the Calm capsule together. First, we have to stop everything else that we are doing. Let your hands hang by your side and keep them still. Drop your shoulders, relax your face. Now you are ready. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Look, it's working. The capsule is starting to calm down. Can you see everything beginning to settle at the bottom? This is exactly what happens to your own feelings when you feel sad, cross, or afraid. The feeling will pass and it will settle. Let's see if we can make the capsule completely calm. Place your hands back by your side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's look at the capsule. It has completely settled now. Being calm is a superpower. You can imagine your own calming capsule anytime you feel out of control. Remember, find a quiet spot, stop what you are doing and take a deep breath.